What's up, guys? Just want to kind of give you a rundown real quick on what I've had going on with my Jeep recently. This is about the third time I've had to do this, and I'm not sure why it's happening. I noticed like a squeal and like a grinding noise, kind of metal to metal contact. And every time I've checked, I've noticed that my hardware clips for the brake pads have either been destroyed or missing. I'm not sure how that's happening, especially by them missing, I guess. I don't know where they're falling out from or what's going on. I don't see that they fell out and rubbed on my caliper anywhere, or actually on my rotor, sorry. I don't see any wear marks on the caliper itself to indicate why it's coming off. I'm assuming, since I do run pretty heavy 37s and my wheels are pretty heavy as well, maybe extra vibration causing them to come out. I don't really see any reasoning. I really haven't done my research either to see if anybody else has had these issues, but it's kind of what I'm encountering. So I'm doing a hardware kit about every maybe 5-6 months. I don't know if anybody else is running into that issue. I mean, it's not really hard to do. The kit's like 12 bucks, but it's kind of annoying just running through it. This is just brake clean here. I've been cleaning this stuff out just because it was kind of rusted up. Yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, I'd definitely like to hear them. See if you guys have any of these issues that I'm running into. Thanks for watching.